Hello. If f of x equals x squared plus 2x minus 8, find f of 1, f of 2, f of 3 minus f of 1, and f of 2 plus f of 0. So let's look at the first part, f of 1. So f of 1 equals 1 to the second power plus 2 times 1 minus 8, and that gives me 1 squared is just 1. 2 times 1 is 2, and then I have minus 8, and that gives me a total of negative 5. How about f of 2? Okay, 2 squared plus 2 times 2 minus 8, and that equals 2 squared is 4, plus 2 times 3 is 4, and I have a minus 8, and that gives me 0. How about f of 3 minus f of 1? What is f of 3? I do have 3 squared plus 2 times 3 minus 8. And so this right here, 3 squared plus 2 times 3 minus 8 is f of 3. All that minus f of 1. Well, f of 1, I already have it in here, so I don't have to look for it far. So minus 5. Okay. And that gives me, let me give myself a little bit of room right here. So this equals 3 squared is 9, 2 times 3 is 6, minus 8, minus 5 is in positive 5. And these two together gives me 15, plus 5 is 20, minus 8, that gives me 12. Okay. And how about the last one, that part that I erased, and I believe it was f of, let me go to the next page. We do have f of x equals x to the second plus 2x minus 8, and the last part was f of 2 plus f of 0. Okay, so f of 2 is 2 squared plus 2 times 2 minus 8 that we did in last page anyways. All that plus f of 0, which is going to be 0 squared plus 2 times 0 minus 8. And that equals 2 squared is 4 plus 4 minus 8. This part we did in previous page, and it gave us a grand total of 0. And then plus here 0 squared is 0, plus 2 times 0 is 0, minus 8, and that gives us total of negative 8, because this was all 0, this is 0, this is 0, so f of 2 plus f of 0 equals negative 8. Okay, and that's it for this short video. Thanks.